Hi everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of who's up. You'll enter to settings, then you can click on apps, default apps, app settings, and above you can search about who's up and you can click. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. After that you'll enter to the window of storage. Then you can click on clear cache. In the end you can go to Play Store, you will search about who's up. You can uninstall your app and you can install it again. So please don't forget to support us, bell, like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your attention and your watching.